Okay, so I own a 2013 Dodge Dart 6-speed manual. A couple of weeks ago, my reverse lockout cable broke. I could find no videos on how to replace it. So I have right now, I have my whole console out, which there is a video to show you how to do that. But I wanted to show how the reverse lockout cable goes. When you have everything out, the top of your shifter is glued on. Chances are it's gonna break. Just bet on it. They're $50 to get a new one from the dealership. You will remove this 10mm bolt. Don't lose it. And this will come off. Here's your lockout lever. Underneath it, it'll come out. I'm not going to take mine out because I've already replaced it. There is this little, I don't know if you can see, this little plastic here. The hard plastic over your lockout cable will load into there, and then there is a small slit on the inside of your lockout lever to where it'll go into the lever. When we go down towards the bottom, it'll feed through. Again, there's another plastic holder for this hard cable. Your lockout lever will go in this little slot right here, and there's a little notch for the wire to go through. It's kind of difficult trying to get it in there. Once you put the bottom in first, load in this one, and as you lift the lever, it'll give you enough cable to load it in. I just wanted to post a video showing kind of how it works because I was unable to find it and had to figure it out on my own. Thanks.